We have a lot of SBR systems throughout the world.
Happening in the same flock particle.
I've never seen anything quite
That
like.
is the game changer.
And that's a game changer. Ultimately, it does affect
I
everybody.
would have laughed you out of the room.
We love snow in Meadville. Meadville is east of the Great Lakes, and what we experience here is known as lake effect snow.
We had a very outdated 26-year-old plant that had basically gone to the end of its life cycle. When we have big rain events where one day we got dumped with like 1.7 inches of rain in a 24-hour period.
It was always a constant struggle to get our nutrients within our regulatory limits. If you got the phosphorus under control, you had problems with the ammonia, and vice versa. You could never get both of them at the same time.
The primary reason for looking to upgrade the plant was to improve the efficiency and the flexibility of the treatment process.
We went to many different facilities and we were able to shadow the operators down there and see how the technology worked.
The aerobic granular sludge technology takes that flock, makes it more of a kernel, and you're going to have a combination of denitrification and nitrification happening in the same flock particle.
Invent's ability to deal with very low flows and very high flows, that is the game changer in the technology.
The most fascinating part of the iGSR is its flexibility. It's not necessarily the high portion that's the problem. It's the low side. And to have a system that's able to adapt to all those different conditions, that really is what's giving our clients the biggest bang for their buck.
I've never quite seen anything like the Influent process. It literally can subdivide the tank into different zones.
Typically, we use concrete walls to segment into different treatment zones, but with this system, you don't need that.
The microlife in the wastewater are the hard workers, and the Influent iC³-Process has its finger on the pulse of the microlife. Flexible, highly efficient, and attentive.
Before this project ever started, if you would have told me that we could possibly go down to one tank operation, I would have laughed you out of the room. We're able to fill constantly and let the tank react each zone. To be perfectly honest, the technology works as advertised, and we're getting great pollutant removal, great TSS numbers, great DO numbers.
The three major costs with running a wastewater treatment plant are labor, sludge, and power. So I think in all those three categories, the Influent process can save costs.
We're using less tanks. We're creating less sludge. We can just cut our electricity in half. It is a money saver.
Our old plant was a Model A car, and we went to a Porsche plant. And that's what's in it for me.
We have a lot of SBR systems throughout the world. The iGSR has been applied in many municipalities throughout the United States, but it can also be applied in many industrial applications like food and beverage and paper production.
The project came in on time and under budget. That's almost unheard of.
Everyone at Influent was great to work with.
The collaboration with Influent was awesome. The support they gave us, it was the best possible relationship you could have with a company.
Couldn't ask for a better team to work with.
It's super efficient. It is a game changer.
It's a game changer.
And that's a game changer.
It is a difference between night and day. We are exceeding our expectations. Less headaches, sleep better.
The plant is unique.
Simple and straightforward.
It's flexible, it's forward-thinking, and it's a success. All of those are wins.